Kahit anong edad natin, kahit gaano na tayo ka-experienced, may isang katotohanan na hindi nagbabago. We're always looking forward, always dreaming of what's next. That's the beauty of being human, di ba? Hindi tayo tumitigil na mangarap at umasa. Whether you're 18 or 80, may spark pa rin sa loob natin na nagsasabing, there's more ahead. Your dreams don't have expiration dates. Your story isn't over. Yung chapters na hindi mo pa nabasa, they're waiting for you to write them. So embrace that uncertainty. Let it excite you instead of scare you. Kasi ang future, it's not something that just happens to you. It's something you create with every choice, every step, every brave moment you decide to keep moving forward. The best is yet to come. Believe it.